asked to factor this equation, and what we'll notice about it is we have a leading negative. Now when you look at your other coefficients, 3, 14, and 8, they don't have a common factor. But even without that, you're going to want to take out the negative, just like you would factor out, say, if there was 2 in each one. So I'm going to start by doing that. I'll put a -1 out front, and I'm going to change every sign. I do this because if I don't, it makes the sign work as part of AC factoring more complicated. So this is the way really to kind of clean up. And in general, we don't like leading negatives, mainly because they get lost. So usually, anytime you see a leading negative, you should start by pulling it out. And if your answer would look like, and this is not the answer, I have no idea what the answer is right now at this point, I haven't done the problem yet, look like this, I would rewrite it like this. Because, again, cleaner, neater makes it easier to find the final answers for the solving we're doing in 5.8. So there's reasons for what we're doing, and they're mainly to make our lives easier down the road. Okay, so now I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to take 3 times 8, which is 24, my AC factor, and I'm going to look for the term that adds, because this is positive now because I took that out, adds to 14, and that will be 2 and 12. And obviously you could list them all, but this one's small enough I can usually do it in my head. Some of them, that's not true. Okay, now I switch to my wonderful factoring by grouping. I'm just carrying along this -1. I'm going to plot an x here, 3x plus 2. Here I'm going to plot 4, 3x plus 2. And these match as required, so we're like, yay, things are working. I'm going to pull that out. And I'm left with an x plus 4 here. And this would be my final factored answer. And well, this or this are technically the same thing. I would say give preference for this one. Again, it doesn't have so much to do with this right here, but what we're doing further down the line. And it will make it easier for you when you get to solving if that -1 is out of the way.